Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to convert handwriting to text in OneNote. So let's say you went ahead and used one of these draw features here to write with. For example, we have different pen colors, right? We have the highlighter, we have a fountain pen, many different options, right? So all you need to do is once you have written using your hand, maybe use the pen tool on a tablet, right? If you want to convert this to text, really easy and simple, just come back to the Draw tab and then click on this option, the Lasso Select, okay? So this is the Lasso tool. Select on this, and now we have it right here. So I want you to come at the edge, just come a little bit farther away. I want you to click your mouse down, and then we're going to draw the lasso over the text, okay? Want to make sure you cover the whole of the text. So there we go. That is enough. And I'll hold my mouse, right? So I'm going to let it go. There we go. So it has covered everything right here. Now I'll right click this. We have two options. Click on this one, ink to text, or this one right here. Either one is fine. So I'll click on this and there you go. Converted to text. Really easy and simple.